Okay, so today we'll be going to mitochondria. It will be the fourth part I remember. So mitochondria as I told is very important, and if I just make a rough structure, then this is the outer membrane, then we have a look to its structure, this is the inner. Then here you will find enzymes, here you will find a lot of stuff as well. So this one circle like structure the DNA that is known as, am I right here? This one is known as empty DNA, not empty but empty DNA, and this can also be called as mid DNA. Okay, I'm just telling you just because I need to discuss some important terms here. Then this synthesis replicate and have its own DNA, RNA and everything. And let me tell you, mitochondria or the empty DNA or the mid DNA, you know, call these all is in inherited in inherited form. How just that's like this always come from mother side, not like when it got fused. This won't come from this sperm, but this will come from the mother side only. Okay, so yes, I just wanted to discuss this point and very important point to discuss in mitochondria. Then we have Krebs cycle in matrix, the fluid we just have, and let me tell you that this have NADH, or this could be NADH or FADH as well. So first reduction would be there in, like, in Krebs cycle there will be reduction when we will be having NADH formation. First reduction in NADH formation, sorry. And after that what will be happen, this NADH would be oxidized. NADH oxidize. This NADH will be oxidized. When it become oxidized, so it start lose electron, and that would be then carried by electron carrier, then carried by electron carrier. Just because to run other function, our body does not waste any kind of things which is made in our body. So when there will be loss of NADH, so that will be again the electron will be loose, the reduction will happen, so then would be again carried by the electron carrier. So in that electron carrier would be carried again that electron. So then we have ATP synthesis enzyme. What does that do? That like helps, like when hydrogen would be oxidized, then what will happen? When hydrogen just moves, then ATP synthesis activate. This is the hydrogen. When this hydrogen, or like it will lose its electron, so then when this enzyme, ATP synthesis enzyme will be activated, and that when this ATP synthesis activate, that process is known as ATP synthesis. ATP synthesis, this means like the ADP would be generated. Now ATP is just a energy currency, if you know, that is energy currency. And like every function to run a metabolic reaction, energy is required, and energy is made in mitochondria. Energy currency.